Welcome to new lesson today. In this tutorial I will show you how to use the left, right and mid function in Microsoft Excel. I'll explain you in detail how we can use these functions, the left, right, mid function in Excel. Here you can see I have a data in which I am having this contact list. I am having a name, date added to this list, address, mobile number, and what I want to extract with this data. I will find out how, if you are required, just if you are asked to find out the area code only with this address, how will you find out? So I'll firstly show you with the help of these formulas how we can find out area code. Thereafter I will show you with the help of formula how we can find out the pin code. You can see with this address, and how we can find out the month when it was added. You can see Wednesday, Jan 29, 1988, but here I just need the month. I just need January. So how will you extract this data? And I also needed the year, just year of this. I need to separate the year, month. So I'll show you with the help of this formula, and I'll do it with the help of left, right and mid function. With the help of these formulas I'll extract this data. Here you can see I need the area code. Area code means I need the first these numbers. This is the area code of this mobile number. This is the area code. The first two, 9191 is the area code. I just need the first two number of this string. So how we will find out this? I just need the area code I just need to extract the area code with all the I just need to extract the area code from the mobile number. So which formula will I be using? I'll be using the left formula because 91 is in the left side. I mean, if you start counting, you can see this side is right and this is left. So we will use the left formula. Let me show you. To start any formula, as I told you before, we'll type equal to sign, then LEFT. According to this will follow tab, then you use tab. Now just follow the formula. It is asking text. Where is the text? This is our text. So what is it asking after this? After this there should be a comma. Now you can see it is asking for number of characters. I mean, how many characters do you need? So we need the code, and code is having only two numbers. So what we will mention, just two. So we need just two characters from the left. Just close the bracket, then enter. Now you can see I have got the area code 91. So now how we'll be having for all the rest of the numbers? Just simply you can drag your mouse till end, or either you can drag your mouse till the end, or just simply hover your mouse over here, and when you can see this plus sign, just double click. Now you can see I am extracted the area code from the phone number. This is how we can extract the area code with the help of left formula. And let's try another example, and this time we will be using right function to extract pin code from this data. Alright, so what we will be doing, we need pin code from the right. There you can see pin code is in the right side, so we will be using right function. So equal to sign, right, then text. This is the text, comma. Now it is asking for characters, so we have to mention how many characters we need. So here you can see there are 6 digits of pin code, so we have to mention 6. Now bracket close. Now you can see I have got the pin code from this address. So what I will be doing is just either you can drag your mouse till down or just simply click on this, double click on this plus sign. So we have got the pin code from this address. We have just separated the pin code from the address. This is how we can use write function. With the help of write function we can extract the pin code from the right, having the characters from the right. Alright, now let's move to the next one. It's what we need here. We need a month when it was added to the list. So it is a bit tricky, mid function. Still, let me show you how we can do it. Just simply type mid bracket open with the help of tab. Now it is asking for text, so I have given this is we need the month. So where is our month from? Our month is here, January, Wednesday, January 29, 1988. We just need the month only, we just need January. So we have given the reference of address. Now comma, it is asking for start number. Start number means how many characters we have this January. So let's count from the left. It's 1 2 3 4 5 6, because there is a space also, so we will be mentioning 6 because space is also counted as a character in Excel. Now it is asking for number of characters. After 6 common number of characters means how many characters we need for month. So you can see we have this Jan, October. So all are all of them are of 3 characters only. So I'll just mention 3, then bracket close. Now enter. So now you can see I have got the month with this data. When it was added month, when this month was I've got the month when it was added. It was January. For what we will need to do the rest of the details, just simply double click. So now you can see I have got the data here. I have got the month from the date added to the list. Now it's very easy. Now you must have got how we can extract now year in the same way. Now what we can do for year? Where is the year? You can see year is from in the right side. So now how we can extract year from this data, from date added to list. Year is 1988. It's very simple, guys. We'll be using write function here because write can allow you to get characters from the right side. Right tab. Now where is the text? This is our text, comma. Now number of characters. Year is having 4 characters, so we'll be putting 4. Now just enter. Now you can see I have got the year from the data 1988. From this data, just simply double click and we have the data for the rest of the details also. Rest of the details we have got the data by just double click on this. I hope you can see the power of left, right and mid function in Microsoft Excel. They really can be very useful. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, please like, follow and subscribe.